Let's see, Katya. Welcome, Katya. This is your first time here. If not, I'm sorry I don't remember you. I have a question. Have you ever been somewhere? Yeah, I've been somewhere. Next question. Have you ever been somewhere like a music event and you couldn't take the music or vibe? This question is so relevant right now. And wanted to leave in your heart, but your friends are there and you don't want them to be alone. So would you leave? Or sit there and bear it till the end? Okay, Katya, so how many of those friends were there? So you want to leave, you feel like you want to leave, but your friends are there. Is that like a group of friends or one person? I had one friend there and one was performing. Oh, okay. And how did you guys meet at the event? Or did you guys arrange to go together previously, bought tickets together, went there together? What was the deal? We arranged together, free tickets from our friend, but we were at a table full of other people. Oh, so in a sense you're saying that your friend was sort of had social anxiety to not be there, so you're not there with them? Or is that the case? I'm asking, is that the case? Or did you feel like she wouldn't be able to stay there with them? Did you communicate any of that, or how did it go? She could stay with the others. All right. Then fuck it, go home, right? The music was ABBA and stuff I couldn't handle. Everyone was having so much fun, but I felt left out. Wasn't my thing. That's all right. You don't like maybe that's a little bit of fear of missing out, and maybe you had better expectations. So a similar thing happened to me for a few events now in the last maybe two weeks, is where I go to this event and I have this mental image how I used to enjoy these types of events, and then I go and I'm trying to hype myself up, like I used to enjoy this 5 years ago, this is so amazing, and then I try to dance but the music is not or whatever. And I also went to this street art thing, and I walked around and there was nothing for me to do. I kind of saw all the things in 15 minutes and then I'm like, is this what I came here for? Like, well, what was I even expecting? So yeah. What did you do, Katya? I stayed right until the last song, then booked it. My friend wanted to stay. You shouldn't don't feel guilty for wanting to leave, because, it's okay if other people enjoy it and you are not enjoying yourself. I think it's better if you left than if you stayed, because if you stay, there's a probable chance that you will fuck up their vibes. Because you'll be like, oh, why are you guys having so much fun? I don't like ABBA. And then you stand around, hands in your pocket, looking at your phone, looking left and right. Why am I even here? Why am I doing this to myself? Why did I even come here? I'd rather be home, staring at the wall, maybe even. And then it's okay if you can sort of leave them, if you can enjoy other people's enjoyment. That's the least that you can do, be neutral. But if you sort of like, oh, why am I here? You become frustrated, then you can probably you may ruin it for other people. And it's better for you and for them if you leave, if you're not sort of vibing with them. Yeah, don't be afraid of doing 180s. Like, you just come somewhere and you're like, oh, okay, I guess this is not for me. This is a lesson for next time. And you do a 180 and go back home. I'm also turning into a hermit, Katya, yeah. Like, the fear of missing out on things. I just have this mental image of, oh, these events are gonna be amazing. Like, I'm gonna enjoy this concert as much as I did when I was 20 years old. I'm gonna enjoy this random group of people drinking and talking drunk bullshit as much as I had when I was drinking my mind. And then you go to the thing, and then it's like, there's like, but where's the substance? Where is the thing that I used to get from all this? And like, it is nowhere to be found. And I'm like, I'd rather be home. For so many things, I'd rather be home. Like my abode is here in this living room and in the forest. That's it. That's it. That's all I do. It says, okay, so Katya, tell your friends that now they gotta go to you, to your favorite music. Yes. Yes. Not only do they have to go to your favorite music, they need to hate it. You need to choose something that they don't like, and they have to go there and stay there until the end and get frustrated and have doubts whether or not they should leave. Then it's